So we finally got cold enough for some snow around here. Hopefully you're enjoying it today. I'll try to show you a few pictures here as we go on later this evening, but it is still a chilly day out there. If you've been outside, it hasn't warmed up a lot after the cold temperatures this morning. Current temperatures are still only in the 40s, even where the sun's coming out in the upper valley. It's only managed to get back into the low 50s. So a cold day out there all around, but the gustier winds and the wet weather have died off, so it may not be feeling quite as chilly as last night if you were out there when the drizzle and the rain and the sleet were coming down across the area. I want to show you a couple of snow totals from today. You know, even if you did see some snow on the grass and car tops, some of these snow totals are coming in only about an inch, measured in some areas by viewers and observers around the area. Edinburgh about 1 inch, Raymondville about 1 inch. The official observation from the National Weather Service in Brownsville, only 0.2 of an inch. Now keep in mind, you know, when you're measuring snow, you just don't go out and stick the ruler in the deepest part of the snow you can find. The official way to measure is they have a white board that is on the ground, and then you measure it off that board. So, you know, on a day like this, you got maybe some snow piling up on car tops and grass, but you know, on other places like the maybe some of the sidewalks and streets or a few other surfaces had almost no snow. So depending on where you are and what exactly the temperature was, some of you had maybe, you know, a decent coating of snow or very little, especially depending on what kind of surface you were measuring from. But everyone, I saw a lot of pictures of everyone playing in the snow, having a little snow day out there this morning. Now this evening though, because temperatures as you saw are only running mostly in the 40s right now, we'll drop down through the 40s gradually this evening and probably into the 30s overnight. So since temperatures are only 10 or 15 degrees above freezing right now, we have to watch out for the possibility of near freezing temperatures or some frosting spots late tonight, especially I think over Starr County, northern Hidalgo County, where the temperatures have the better chance to get down there. So we have the temperatures overnight falling with a combination of clear skies now. No more clouds, no more rain or snow coming back tonight. Skies will continue to clear from west to east. Winds will be lighter, so when you get clear skies and light winds, it allows temperatures to drop faster. And the ground's already fairly cold, especially where the airflow is still coming in from the west, and the temperatures to our west are colder right now, where there was a little more snow on the ground and some colder, drier air. So with that moving our way, that could allow temperatures to drop maybe more than some of the computer models say tonight, which a lot of the computer models only say we may get down into about the upper 30s or lower 40s, but you know, we're almost that cold right now, so probably 30s a guarantee tonight, with overnight low temperatures likely falling down to about the mid 30s overall. But you notice you get especially farther west into Starr County, and we put 31 there in Rio Grande City, which Rio Grande City made it down to 32 this morning, so it's a good possibility it may drop a degree or two colder than that in some areas tonight in Starr County, maybe in parts of northern Hidalgo County up around San Manuel or far western Willisey County, where it does normally get a few degrees colder. But I think most everyone probably bottoming out just a little bit above freezing tonight. But still, even if the air temperature where we measure it a few feet off the ground is in the mid 30s, maybe you might get a little frost on some of your car tops again, or a cold surface. You can see the rain and snow going by there, and all the clearing. If we stop it there, the clearing line is basically right here. We draw a line coming across the valley. This is the back edge of the cloud. So west of there, the clear skies are coming in, and that means some colder temperatures. But tomorrow we do get a chance to warm up more. Sunshine is back. If you're looking to get a little bit warmer, it won't be, you know, super sunny and, you know, back in the 80s, but it will be very sunny and at least back in the 60s tomorrow. The temperature starting off cold in the 30s and 40s in the morning, but 60s by afternoon with sunshine and a light wind from the north and northwest. And your day planner tomorrow goes from 30s or lower 40s in the morning, maybe some patchy frost in spots, and then back into the 60s by afternoon with sunshine and that northwest wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. So the first 7-day forecast, we do see warmer weather on the way, not return to, you know, endless summer type of warmth, but highs in the 60s tomorrow, 60s on Sunday, with maybe another cold morning Sunday. There might be some patchy frost in the ranch country. And then by Monday and Tuesday, partly sunny and back in the 70s with slightly warmer mornings. Our next chance of any rain appears to be with some moisture coming in from the southwest by about Friday, with maybe a couple of light rain showers. So we'll continue to track that for you and have an update, of course, on your weekend weather in your first 1-5 forecast. Stay tuned.